Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is limited liability company, a hybrid to the typical corporation or partnership. LLCs have become very popular. They're a way of structuring a business so that your shareholders and yourself can have limited liability by owning the shares or units in an LLC. Done commonly as a hybrid to a corporation or a sole proprietorship. Developed over the last 20 years, these are important business structures that can be set up for individuals to not be liable for the debts and obligations of the company they set up. Like an Inc., an LLC structures liability and protects the holders of the LLC. Hey, as a side note to an LLC, when I first set up my first hedge fund, it was an LLC. Why was it an LLC? Because limited partnerships really were kind of out of vogue, and LLC created opportunities for you to have these things called side pockets. You could have different LLC class interests. So LLCs have become really popular and allow you to do structures that you may otherwise not be able to do with limited partnerships. Definitely consult your tax attorney for LLC and how they're taxed and the decision on how you want to seek taxation, and talk to your lawyer about how to set up an LLC. But they're a great instrument and I have a lot of them. I use them all the time. Today's word is limited liability company or LLC. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.